How's it going, guys? I'm Julian Taco from the Aerospace, and today we're gonna present you a Wi-Fi 4G module for drones that is being developed by ID Robotics, and this module is called VoidRay. We have it already installed in Israel. We have our ground control station, which is a laptop tablet connected through Wi-Fi with the drone, and we also have the ground control station H16 with RF communication with the drone, and we're gonna see both of them working together side by side doing a long distance mission. So guys, this is our long distance mission, and we're gonna activate the mission once we're up in the air from the ground control station. And this is a video feed from what our ground control station is getting. We have the mission uploaded as well, our video feed, and then we have the card. Once you do the mission in Mission Planner, then autonomously the mission is being uploaded to your ground control station. So now I'm going to lift off the drone using the ground control station. We're gonna do this manually, and once we're up in the air, in safe location, we're gonna launch the mission from our computer through Mission Planner. The reason why I'm first launching through the ground control station is that this method is the safest one. In case something happens, you can react very fast. Alright guys, we have the Mission Planner data coming in. We have the drone over there. So the drone is moving without the mission being started, and now we're gonna start the mission. Over here we have do action. Are you sure you want to start the mission? And we said yes. Beginning. We're going to first point. 10 metros por segundo, 63 metros на мен ми показва при тебе.
Точно толкова. Много добре се движиш, колко бързо за мен.